Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Different and latest beautiful lining color blocking print on like print as a embroidery style, like color blocking project embroidery styles. I can help you with project pattern. What kind of project pattern are you looking for? Please provide more details or specify a particular project you have in mind. Crocheting handbags can be a fun and creative project. These are a basic pattern to get your start on simple crochet handbags. And feel free to ask, customize your handbags with different stitch pattern, colors, or embellishment to make it unique. Enjoy your crocheting. And stripped bag experiment with stripped of different birds and colors to create a visually appealing design and latest style looks. Flat bag, crochet bag using bowl and then flat it in the washing machine for a unique finish. So guys, I hope you like it. So please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end. And mention me comment section for your feedback. Take care. Hey guys.